Hey everyone, today we are starting with my new shot truck build. And also to as soon as I find enough stuff, enough gold, I'm probably gonna find a trailer with it. So today we are gonna build my new shop truck build. My new shop truck because it's not pretty it's not looking good at all. So I got a perfect idea. So I'm starting with this. The yellow with the pink is not cutting it. I'm taking the lines off of it. And I'm not liking the yellow on this truck here. Probably a dark, a, a lighter blue. No. A little. I'm probably gonna do some like type of grayish. Yeah, gonna do this because it's my shop truck, and I'm gonna put it back, put the body stuff on there. What else? Oh yes, the good old fashioned thing. Gonna put now. Gonna make it America. Make it all white. Boom. Yep, I'm gonna do some toe mirrors. I'm probably gonna do all the black. Yep. Because it's gonna be my custom truck. And on leaving it there. And ooh, shoot. I do need put a little red on there. I mean, it looks good, but I'm putting the duals back. Ooh, what the heck? Oh, heck yeah. I'm gonna start doing that. This truck looks cool now. Now all I need is like custom. I'm gonna put big tire fish. Lift it up a little bit. I'm probably gonna put it all the way to 30 with it probably right there. 30. Okay, I'm gonna put all the way to 30. I'm gonna put all the way right there. Now it looks good. But also, I am gonna put. I just want to make sure. Oh my gosh, heck yeah. That's all I need to do, and I will be right. Alright. I do love this truck. Now, I'm taking you a good look around here. It's gonna be a perfect truck for a couple role plays here and there. Oh my gosh, this truck. Holy mackerel. This truck is way too fast. Slow. Ow. Don't worry. Do you think this truck? Ow. I'm slowing down. Oh, by the way, I'm just testing to drive this vehicle for fun. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go. Because this truck is pretty fast. And this is my my new shop truck. I'm not gonna lie, the Chevy Tahoe is pretty good. And I'm thinking like, how in the heck I'm gonna do this, but I'm throwing this out. Everyone have Offer Outlaws. Pretty much everyone out there, if you're watching this, Offer Outlaws. Just go to the same map I'm on, and please, if you see some custom truck, like I'm just throwing, I want to do it like a Road Queen build, okay? I'm bringing my pink car, my pink Toyota 4Runner, my pink Toyota 4Runner, and my vehicle. It's a different vehicle. A different vehicle. So I want all of you to do all of that, and I want you to go to the same map, and I will be waiting for you. And I'm gonna throw you guys a challenge. I want it, like, doesn't matter, it's bone stock motor or everything is modified. The motor will be doesn't matter. I want to have fun with it. Doesn't matter, you could bring your dually. I want it I want this like a Road Queen project. So I'm gonna start doing all of that. And although I love my trucks, I'm gonna build a massive vehicle. Doesn't matter what type of vehicle you drive, I want you to build a Road Queen and have a good time, and I'm gonna host it. Doesn't matter. And thank you for 104 viewers out there. Thank you. And I am doing this. Hey yo, but I really want that. Oh, I see a box. I'm sorry, I have to do that. And I'm gonna climb back up because, or jump back up, you know. Kobe! Oh, come on. Alright, I'm just gonna go, turn around, and I'm just gonna it. And I will tell you after I get all the, I will tell you all the vehicles I bought next episode with a different project. And I will tell you how much money I bought for all of those vehicles from there, from to the junkie to like I ain't want the junk, like I want to just leave me alone type of builds, and Trevor to gold. I will tell you that how much. So right now I love this truck so much. So you know what I love this truck so much for? And also I forgot to turn down the tires down, but I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'm gonna do a lot of builds. I can't wait to get this truck. I can't wait to do a lot of hauling and stuff for other random projects. So have fun.